So one question that comes to our mind always, we always ask one question to ourselves. We know what are our dreams. The doer part is ready. We know what we want to do also. We know both these things, what are our dreams and what we want to do. But there is something which we call as a permission that is missing. So whatever the dreamer is dreaming and he is doing his job, the doer is doing his job, but there is no congruence in between these two. What your mind is thinking and what actions you are taking are not the same, so they are not giving you results. If there is a matching in between this, then you get the results you want. This is known as congruence. So the mind and body balance so as to produce positive results is known as congruence. And the mind and body balance so that they are not giving you result. You are thinking about your future. You are working also. It's not that you are just taking rest. You are even active. You are taking actions, but you are not getting results. So that only means that there is some sort of incongruence that is over there. Either the incongruence is in between the goal and the action, or it is in between the action and the belief that you will be able to get it, or it is between the goal and the belief that you have the goal but you don't believe that you will be able to achieve it. So some or the other congruence is there. Now congruence can be broadly divided into two things. So incongruence can be an internal incongruence. It can be an internal incongruence or it can be an external incongruence. There can be two types of things in incongruence. That means imbalance can be either internal. Now we already know internal means in the proactive zone. The beliefs,
Acha.
values,
Yes.
capacities,
Potential, yeah.
or identity.
The proactive and reactive, I shared that.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So internal conflict is or internal congruence, incongruence is incongruence between your beliefs, values, capacities, or the identity that you are creating. This can be called as internal incongruence. External incongruence is your environment and your behavior. Like what you always say, Omkar Garu, that sir, the present job that I am doing and where I want to go is two different things. They are not matching. So you are taking an action in some direction which is important for you as a part of your job.
Yes.
And you want to take an action that is important as a part of your passion or your dream. And these two things are not matching. So you are feeling a split. This split can be called as an incongruence that you can feel. So there can be these two types of incongruence. First, you have to identify what is the incongruence. That is the first step in this. Second step is you have to get the permission. How you get the permission? That we do with the use of meta models. We use chunking down and we use meta model for finding out whether the problem is in proactive area or whether the problem is in reactive area. And after finding out, then we take the approach. If there are problem in belief, we know how to change beliefs. If there is a problem in values, we can go for value hierarchy. If there are problem in your capacity, you feel their capacity is not there, we can improve our capacity. How to improve the capacity? If I can do this, I can do
That.
this too. This is how you can improve your capacity. I will once again just write it down. I am increasing the size of my pen. If I can do X, I can do Y too. This is the sentence that you use for challenging your capacities that you are defining. These are not the capacities that you don't have. For example, if you cut yourself and you feel that the cut is getting healed itself, when we do our shaving, many times in shaving we cut ourselves. But when we cut ourselves in the shaving, you don't have to go to a doctor and get it healed. It heals itself. So if you make this belief strong in your mind that if after a shaving cut, I can heal myself, then I can heal any disease that is with me. So if you can create this belief in you, then you can increase the capacity of your body to heal itself. As simple as that. So this means if I can do this, I can do that too, right? If there are environmental things, we can sequentially work upon environment, and we can adjust ourselves to whatever we are available, whatever is available to us. If it is related to the behavior, then you have to clear on your outcome. If your behavior is not coming in line with what you want, that means there is a problem in the outcome. The problem is not in the behavior. If the outcome is clear, the behavior will align itself towards the outcome.